Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friends, Assalamualaikum. Today I am making a volcano. First, for making volcano, we need this. I don't know what to say it. So tell me what to say it if you know. And then it is Chinese soil. These two. So now starting it. So it is Chinese soil. I had opened it. Now this we need some more like this. Now it's ready. Now it's ready. Now it's baking soda and it's shampoo. It's vinegar. So first we will take some shampoo. So add in it. Now I will add baking soda. Now add some water. Now again mix it. Now I will add some food color in it. It will give it look like lava. So now I will mix it. So now I am adding some vinegar in it. It will burst like a lava after adding vinegar. So now it's come up. It is because of chemical reaction. Because when we added shampoo in it and vinegar and soda, their chemical reaction take it up. It is called chemical reaction. So that's why the lava come up always. Allah Hafiz.